This is the RunSafe Security Minute. We're here to provide 1-minute security briefs. Today's question is,
Eric, how does the engineering team work to optimize performance times?
That's a really good question, Alex. The first, and in my opinion, the most important aspect of optimizing performance times is to have metrics and tests in place to accurately measure the performance as your software grows and capabilities are changed and things are added. This avoids issues where you have a feeling that something is slower, but no real concrete evidence or any idea when or where those problems might have been introduced. To avoid this seat of the pants approach to performance optimization, Alchemist Code has built-in timing that wraps all the main functional components of the Alchemist Code software that's run as part of our testing and allows us to identify issues as they're introduced. So this is really the first step, monitoring, identifying performance issues as they arise. These issues tend to cost more to fix the further along in the life cycle you are. So catching them early helps mitigate the time and therefore the cost to fix them. Another thing is consideration also has to be made before fixing issues to come to a conclusion if it really needs to be fixed at all. A 1 millisecond increase in a function that already takes a second might not be a problem, especially if there was some new functionality added and the time can be accounted for based on the complexity of the new functionality. But a 500 millisecond increase in that same 1 second function could indicate a problem. The point here is to make sure the changes are justified and in line with any increased complexity that might be introduced to fix such a performance issue. The other issue that we deal with as a team is that performance can vary from platform to platform, and Alchemist Code is not restricted to some minimum required hardware. It runs on Android devices, RTOSs, embedded systems, up to full-blown Linux servers. So testing in these resource-restrained environments is also a big part of what we have to do as a team to make sure we don't run into performance surprises with customers that might be running in these restrained environments. And that's really it. Monitor, be judicious about what we fix, and be cognizant of these resource-restrained environments that our code has the potential to run in. And once you identify them, every performance issue is unique, and the sooner they can be identified, the better. And that's really how we approach it.